Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add custom location to Instagram story. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and the first thing we're going to do is creating a story on Instagram. I'm just going to click on your story and I'm going to upload a photo from my gallery. For instance, I'm just going to upload this photo. Okay, then we can click on the sticker button right here, guys. Then you have to choose the location. Okay, and here you can search for a location, or you can also turn on your location services to see places near you. And I'm just going to search for a location. I'm just going to search for random location, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna select this one. Alright, and now the location has been added to my story. Then we can customize the style like this by tapping on the location. I'm gonna go with this one. Then we can zoom in or zoom out, and I'm just going to place it right here. Okay, once you're done, you can click on your story right here to share your Instagram story. Okay, and now the Instagram story is being uploaded, and we just need to wait until the uploading process has completed. Alright guys, and that's how we can add custom location to Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.